Hi guys, it's Miss Aamayli, and today we're going to be making our own Bubblemaker that's DIY. And it looks just like this. It's pretty cool. The supplies that you'll need are dish soap, food coloring, but that's optional if you want colorful bubbles, a sock that's preferably small so it'll fit over your water bottle, scissors, a water bottle, and I have 1 cup of water in this bowl. The first thing I'm doing is I'm taking off the label off of my water bottle because I found it easier to put the sock on that way. And I also took the cap off of my water bottle because you'll need to blow on it to make the bubbles. Now be careful when you're using scissors and make sure you have a parent around because we want you guys to stay safe. What I did was I kind of squished my water bottle, not all the way, but it was easier for me to cut that way, but I squished the bottom kind of. And we're not cutting half of the water bottle, but we're cutting a little less than the water bottle. So I'm gonna make my cut right here. That's why we squished it, so we could make the cut. And this is what it should look like when you're finished cutting. And we're done with this, so we're just gonna put this to the side. Now you're gonna take your sock, and you can put your scissors away because we don't need that. You're gonna take your sock, and you're gonna put the sock on the water bottle just like you're putting a sock on your foot, basically. And it'll squish, but that's okay because you can try to fix it with your finger. Now I'm just putting the sock over the water bottle so it'll fit on the water bottle, but it took a little bit of time, so I kind of made the video go a little bit faster. Now when your sock's not all the way, you can kind of straighten the water bottle out with your finger from the tip of the sock. Just like that. And now you're going to fold your sock just halfway down so it looks like that. When you're finished, it should look something like that. You can push your sock up if you want. Now you're going to take your bowl of water, and you're going to take your soap, and you're going to put just a little bit of soap in there, just to make your water soapy, and it has bubbles. And I just mix it with my finger. I'm just going to start it out with my water bottle, and then when you think it's ready, you just make your bubbles by blowing the water bottle. And that's how you make it.